What's good, y'all? It's Fresco BK, and Stadium Goods NYC is back up and running. So please make sure if you're in the Soho area in New York City, pull up to 47 Howard Street. But today we're unboxing the Yeezy 350, formerly known as ISRAFIL, now known as Carbon. But say less with all this talking, let's get straight to these shoes. Look, I don't know about y'all, but 2020 has been filled with all kinds of things. But as we transition out of summer to fall, back to school virtually or physically, Yeezy and Adidas once again with another 350. I actually kind of like this colorway a lot. So take a look at this box top, standard Yeezy box top, and let me know what you guys think in the comments. But here we have the Yeezy 350 V2 Carbon. The Yeezy 350 V2 Carbon definitely gives me vibes of a fog overcasted sunset that transitions to a night sky. So if you look at the upper, we see the steel blue and gray hues there, the translucent stripe that runs across the side. We have right under the stripe more steel blue and gray hues, but they become intertwined with that black prime knit, so that gives a fog overcast into the night sky. As we get to the midsole, cream midsole, translucent of course, but the transition from midsole to outsole is slightly darker. Not exactly gum, but it's definitely a slightly darker color shift. As we get back to the upper, we have the new pull Yeezy lacing system, which is a great detail on these new 350s, but they also come with the additional set of classic laces, so that's definitely an upgrade. But when I look at this shoe, it gives me New York City vibes all the way. A night in New York City, so we have the night sky here, and then with the midsole outsole, it's like the street light. So the street light gives it that pop, and then the night sky here, just a great detail for fall with the Yeezy 350 V2 Carbon. But unfortunately, we didn't get to unbox all 350 V2s this year. Earlier, before COVID, we did unbox the linen 350 V2, but we missed a few in the summer that we want to show a little bit of love to. So we're gonna take a quick look at the Yeezy ISRAFIL and the Yeezy ZYON. Kicking off the summer was the release of the Yeezy 350 V2 ZYON, but this colorway actually works very well for fall. It intertwines brown, cream, and gray hues throughout the entire prime knit upper. We have that brown translucent stripe, of course the gum bottom, but ZYON by internet definition means uncertain, perhaps dry place, but some sources reference it to Mount Zion in the Bible. I don't know. August was the release of the Yeezy 350 V2 ISRAFIL, which is actually one of my favorite Yeezy names to date. But ISRAFIL by internet definition means the angel who will play the trumpet on the day of judgment. Damn, Kanye. But in regards to connection between all three shoes, you see the earth tones that run throughout each of these various colorways. We have the steel blue with cream hits, and then we have that translucent stripe along the side. I like to call this toasted tangerine. We have that gray midsole, we have the gum outsole, and just another great look for fall, whether it's the ZYON, the ISRAFIL, or of course the Carbon. Jump in the comments and let me know what's your favorite Yeezy 350 of 2020. Is it the ISRAFIL, is it the ZYON, is it the linen, maybe even the Carbon? But we have all of these available right here. Well, not exactly right here, but at Stadium Goods, located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area, so please feel free to pull up. Stay tuned for upcoming details on the grand opening of our Chicago store that is coming very, very soon. Make sure you guys visit stadiumgoods.com for all of your Stadium Goods needs. Please follow at Stadium Goods on all social media platforms. And last but not least, if you haven't done this already, download the Stadium Goods app available on iOS and on Android, because we update the app daily with kicks, fits, and apparel, all from Stadium Goods. I am Fresco BK. I'm that much closer to the store. Salud.